In this video, I'm going to show you how to import contacts to Bitrix24. Now to do this, first you want to open up your dashboard and then you want to go to a CRM over here on the left. And when you are inside your CRM, you want to go to Customers up top and then Contacts. Now inside here, you can then go and import contacts various different ways. You can go to the top right and click on the Settings cogwheel, and from here you can import Gmail contacts, Outlook contacts, Yahoo Mail contacts, etc. by clicking on any of these over here, and you'll kind of be able to, of course, upload that file. Or you could just go and select a standard custom CSV data. So I'm going to click on Import Custom CSV Data, and I do have a file, so I'm going to click on Upload File, and I have some random sample data generated with ChatGPT. I'm going to click on it and click on Open, and there we go. Then you have to select the file encoding. You can preview it. I'm going to leave it as ASCII over here, and you can, of course, select your field delimiter. This is very important. For me, they are commas. Of course, if you have semicolons, tab, or spaces, that's also going to work. And then from here, you can select if you want to skip empty columns and if the first row is a header, etc. And here you can see a name format. You can, of course, select this, of course, change it if you wanna. I'm going to leave it like it is, and I'm going to click on Next. And there we go. As you can see, it's going to allow you to select field mapping. Here under contact type, it's going to be client, source is going to be call, etc. You can modify this if you want to. I'm just going to leave it like it is. First name is first name. ID over here is going to be, I don't actually have ID in there. That's why it's not showing. But as you can see, I do have things like company, email, phone, etc. So if I go down here, mobile is going to be phone for me. And if I go down, I should be able to find emails as well. They're somewhere in here. You can go and, of course, select these. So there we go, work email. I'm going to hit the email button over here. Then you have job title. For me, I'm going to go and search for the job title. You basically have to match these, okay? So these over here are the ones available inside Bitrix24, but these that pop up if you click on here are inside your CSV file, and you just have to match them. So if there's kind of like a mismatch in their names, so if, for example, here it says ID, but you put in identification document or something like that, you're gonna have to match it. You don't have to match everything, but at least some things have to be matched, the ones that you need. Then hit the next button when you're done, and then here, of course, you can select how you want to treat duplicates. I'm gonna just click on allow. Here you can select how you want to detect these, and then click on next. And as you can see, for me, 8 items have been imported, which is all of them, and I can just click on the close button, and I'm just actually going to click here to refresh, and there we go, the kind of sample data has been put in here, okay? That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.